Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure your phone is ready. Charge above 20% and unlock it. Open Settings immediately. If you can't find it, swipe down and use the search bar to type Quick Share. Once done, confirm your Realme UI version in About Phone so you know which menu labels to expect. This matters because labels shift between updates, and knowing the OS version prevents guesswork. Now move to the connectivity area to locate sharing services and the Quick Share toggle. You now navigate the specific menus. Go to Connections or Additional Settings. Some Realme builds put Quick Share under Bluetooth or Share. Once you see Quick Share or Nearby Share, tap it to open service options. Disable the main toggle and also revoke any permissions like location or contacts to stop auto-discovery. Make sure to clear cached pairing devices if listed, because leftover entries can re-enable visibility. After turning it off, restart the sharing-related services. You finish by rebooting your Realme and immediately checking that Quick Share remains off. Try sharing a photo to confirm it doesn't list nearby devices. If the option resurfaces, clear Settings App Cache or Force Stop Settings, then disable again. Alternatively, update the OS because some bugs are fixed in patches. As a last resort, reset network settings, which clears share services without wiping personal data. If problems persist, back up and consider a factory reset, but only after confirming backups and account details.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.